converted an old cooler to ultraviolet decontamination box. It's very easy. This ultraviolet bulb is for fish tanks, which I bought from from Amazon. I think 20 bucks or so. It's 7 watts. It comes with a switch and all, but I added a NC light, which basically, if you see there, yeah, so when the box closes, the light comes on, and if you have heard the tick, then that's what happened here. Now the light's off. Keep the box held up like that. Yeah, thank you. And see that here goes. So I press that and the light's on and everything gets decontaminated. There's kind of a smell, obviously, which comes from UV rays, and that's it pretty much. So we can decontaminate things like our phones, water bottles, food stuff like vegetables and stuff that we buy, or maybe bags of chips. Just put them in there for 10 minutes and we're done. Cool, you can make your own. And I put this little box to hold all the wire and stuff in there, and I use this hole to put the wire out. A little bit of work and soldering and stuff, and I used actually a Hoya filter box to hold my switch inside. It's kind of funny, but it does the job, and then aluminum foil all around it to do the reflecting and everything. Yeah, have fun.